Yes, students. So, good afternoon and a very warm welcome to the class. And as you all know that we have been in practice since last week that हम एक टॉपिक को रिपीट करते हैं, रिवाइज करते हैं एंड आफ्टर दैट हम लोग उसके कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व करते हैं. सो द टॉपिक दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टुडे इज कनेक्टर्स. ओके, कनेक्टर्स बेसिकली आपको पता है किसे कहा जाता है, कंजक्शंस को भी कहा जाता है. जो कंजक्शंस होते हैं ना उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, कनेक्टर्स. ओके, कनेक्टर्स इज अ वर्ड दैट इज यूज्ड टू जॉइन द वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस एंड क्लॉजेस. कनेक्टर हमें नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, कनेक्टर इज कनेक्ट. कनेक्ट करना मीन्स ज्वाइन करना. ठीक है, सो ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स, ज्वाइनिंग फ्रेजेस एंड ज्वाइनिंग क्लॉजेस आर द कनेक्टर्स. Now see, relative pronouns and relative adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, ये सब जो है हम इसमें later on इस पूरे उसमें हम continuous हम इसको देखते आ रहे हैं. And in this chapter we are going to learn about conjunctions, that is connector, that are basically known as the joining words. Okay, now see, with an example we are going to start. Now see these following sentences. He came and sat beside his wife. Eat it or leave it. Did you know that he was my brother? Make hay while the sun shines. I cannot see how he can win. Now see, he came and sat beside his wife. वो आए and से join हुआ. Eat it or leave it. और से join हुआ. Did you know that he was my brother? That से join हुआ. Make hay while the sun shines. While से join हुआ. I cannot see how he can win. यहाँ पे how से हुआ. Now see, ये जो italics में जो words हैं, these are the conjunctions because they join together some words and sometimes they have joined the sentences together. In sentence 1 and 2, हमने देखा conjunction use हुआ and or. They join together the clause that are independent of each other because they are of equal ranks. So ये जो conjunctions होती हैं, they are known as coordinating conjunctions. And in the sentence 3, 4 and 5 conjunctions, that is that, while and how, ये join करते हैं clauses of unequal ranks, and one is the main independent clause and other is the clause depending on or limiting the main clause. तो ये जो conjunctions होती हैं, these are called the subordinating conjunctions. Okay, those conjunctions which join the independent clauses, तो वो क्या होते हैं, वो होते हैं हमारे coordinating, and those who join the in एक dependent और एक independent, वो होते हैं हमारे coordinating clauses. Okay, so see, coordinating clauses जो होते हैं, they are of how many kinds? They are of 4 kinds. So culminative, cumulative. Now see, coordinating conjunctions are of 4 types. One is the cumulative. By these conjunctions, one statement or fact is simply added to the other. एक statement को दूसरी statement से add करना simply. This is the cumulative. So this is basically trust in God and do the right. So and is here. Both and he was both fined and imprisoned, as well as his brother is intelligent, not only but also, that is he was not only fined but also imprisoned. तो ये जो and है, both and as well as, not only but also, these are the cumulative conjunctions. Now alternatives, ये उनमें होती है when there is a choice offered between one statement and the other. Now see, either he is a fool or he is a rogue. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. She must weep or she will die. Work hard else or otherwise you will not pass. So ये जो चारों है ना, either or, neither nor, or otherwise else, all these are what? These are the alternatives because they gives you a choice is offered between one statement and the other. Then comes the adversative. Now adversative, ये जो conjunctions होती हैं, this express or contrast between two statements. This express a contrast between two statements as, what are they? As, जैसे कि but, he is slow but he is steady. Still and yet, he is very rich, still he is not contented. Nevertheless, he had no chance of success. Nevertheless, he tried. Whereas and while wise men love virtue, whereas fools shun it. Okay, so this way we can say, but hua, still hua, yet, nevertheless, whereas and while. All these are what? These all are the conjunctions which shows the adversatives. Now, elatives, by these conjunctions, one statement or fact is inferred or proved from another. ये जो होती है इसमें one statement या fact जो होता है is inferred or proved from the another, that is therefore, so consequently या फिर for. Therefore is he was found stealing, therefore he was fined. Okay, so this is an elative. So and consequently he did not work, so he failed. So यहाँ पे भी देखो, यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने क्या किया, one fact is inferred or proved from the another. For he will pass, for he works very hard. He will pass because he works very hard. So this is also inferred or proved from the another one. So therefore, so consequently, for, all these are what? These are the elative conjunctions. So these are basically, I can say that these are the coordinating conjunctions which are of four kinds. What are those four kinds? Cumulative, alternative, adversative, and elative. Now we move to the subordinating conjunctions. These are of 8 kinds. Now 8 kinds के subordinating conjunctions ये कौन से हैं? See, she died before she reached 30. Wait till or until he returns. I returned after she had gone. I will leave as soon as he comes. The sun will rise while the world lasts. Her name will live so as long as the world lasts. It happened when I was in Delhi. He entered as the clock struck 10. Okay, so she died before she reached 30. यहाँ पे before हुआ. Wait till or until he returns. So till or until. I returned after she had gone. After. I will leave as soon as he comes. So as soon as. The sun will rise while the world lasts. While her name will live so long as the world lasts. So long as. It happened when I was in Delhi when he entered as the clock struck 10. As. So ये सब क्या है? These are the subordinating conjunctions which shows what? Which shows time. Then comes cause or reason. I love him because he loves me. I will go there since you desire it. Let us go to bed as it is 11. I love him because he loves me. Okay, so cause or reason is I love him because he loves me. So because shows here the reason or the cause. I will go there since you desire it. So since is the thing that shows the reason or the cause. Let us go to bed as it is 11. Now let us go to the bed as it is what? It is 11. So यहाँ पे as आ रहा है again the cause and the reason. Result or consequence we say. He wept so much that he fell ill. She was so intelligent that she won the first prize. Now, what is this showing? This is showing the result or this is showing the consequences. Result or consequences is the same thing. तो क्या हुआ? He wept so much. वो इतना रोया कि वो बीमार हो गया. And he was so intelligent. वो इतना intelligent था that she won the first prize कि वो first prize जीत गई. ठीक है? Now comes the purpose. Now purpose is what? We eat so that we may live. पर्पस क्या है? हम क्यों खाते हैं? व्हाट इज द पर्पस व्हाई वी ईट? सो दैट वी मे लिव. सो आ गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है. देन कम्स शी वर्कड हार्ड सो दैट शी माइट पास. उन्होंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया. व्हाई? सो दैट शी माइट पास, ताकि वो पास हो सके. वॉक केयरफुली लीस्ट यू शुड फॉल. केयरफुली वॉक करो अदरवाइज यू शुड फॉल. ही वर्क्स हार्ड इन ऑर्डर दैट ही मे बिकम रिच. उन्होंने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया जस्ट बिकॉज व्हाट? सो इन ऑर्डर दैट ही मे बिकम रिच. तो दीज आर दी कंजक्शंस विच हेल्प्स अस कि उससे हम पर्पस को शो कर पाए. देन कम्स द कंडीशन. कंडीशन में देखो, ही विल डिसमिस यू if you are late again. अगर आप लेट हुए फिर से तो he is going to dismiss you on this condition. I agree to these terms provide you agree to mine. I agree, मैं आपके इन terms के साथ में agree करता हूँ provided you agree to mine. आप मेरी के साथ में agree करो. He ran as if he had been shot. वो ऐसे भागे जैसे कि if he had been shot. You cannot be pardoned unless you confess your fault. आपको pardon नहीं किया जा सकता unless you confess your fault. Okay, so this way it said that these are the conjunctions which helps us to show these conditional sentences. Now, as we said that it has 8 kinds, so the sixth one is concession or contrast. Sixth one is what? The concession or the contrast. Okay, अब concession और contrast हमें पता है. He is an honest man, although he is poor. हालांकि वो poor है, but still he is what? He is an honest man. वो कैसा आदमी है? Honest. So this is basically we can say the contrasting thing. He is not contented though he is very rich. वो बहुत rich है, but still he is not contented. तसल्ली नहीं है उसको इतना rich होने के बावजूद भी. ठीक है? So this way we can say here also it shows the concession or the contrast. He will never pass however hard he may try. ठीक है, अब उसमें क्या है? He will never pass however hard he may try. वो कितना भी hard try कर ले, he is never going to pass it. So however shows the contrast again. Then comes the comparison. She is as clever as I am. वो उतनी clever है जितनी कि मैं. I like him as much as you. I really like him as much as you like him. She likes me no less than you. वो मुझे like करती है no less than you. That is, she likes you. He is cleverer than you. So then here comes art. यहाँ पे क्या है? ये सारे जो है ना, these are showing what? These are showing the comparison. That एक में show कर रहा है she is as clever as you. आपके जितना क्लेवर तो कंपैरिजन हो गया. I like him as much as you. यहाँ पे भी कंपैरिजन आ गया. She likes me no less than you. Again comparison. He is cleverer than you. वो आपसे भी ज़्यादा क्लेवर है. So here also again comes comparison. Now comes extent or manner. Man will reap as they sow. जैसा बोओगे वैसा पाओगे. So as here helps to show the manner or the extent. He lay still as if he were dying. वो एकदम still lie कर रहा है as if he were dying, जैसे कि वो he is dying. So he lay still as if he were dying. So this is the extent or the manner. So this way we can say कि यहाँ पे जो हमारे ये 8 थी ना subordinating, what were they? Conjunction of time, conjunctions of cause and reason, conjunction of result or consequences, conjunction of result or consequence, conjunction of purpose, of condition, of concession and contrast, comparison, extent or manner. Okay, so mainly कितनी थी? 2 टाइप की conjunctions थी, that is coordinating and subordinating. Coordinating 4 types, cumulative, alternative, adversative, ठीक है, and elative. Subordinating time, cause and reason, result or consequence, purpose, condition, concession or contrast, comparison and extent or manner. Hope understood? If yes, quickly raise your hands. फिर हम उसी तरह से unmute करके और हम exercises पे चलते हैं. If the thing is clear, these topics have already been explained to you और इसको आप बहुत अपनी junior classes से भी करते आ रहे हो. The level of the sentences that you get, बस वो change होता है और कुछ भी change नहीं होता. ठीक है? So yes, okay, good. Okay, so now I am okay, so now one by one we will start answering the exercise. Okay, okay, so see, now a quick revision ले लेते हैं इसका. Connectors, basically these are the words that are used to join the words, that are used to join the phrases and that are used to join the clauses. Okay, so दो words को, दो phrases को, दो clauses को join करने के लिए हम जिसे use करते हैं वो कौन होते हैं? वो हमारे connectors होते हैं. Connector in itself name shows us connector, connect करने वाला. Connect is what? Join करना. ठीक है, तो उसको हम कंजंक्शंस भी बोलते हैं. कंजंक्शंस कैन बी ऑफ 2 काइंड्स. जब हमारे पास अगर सपोज 2 क्लॉजेज हैं, 2 सेंटेंसेस हैं, बोथ आर इंडिपेंडेंट, तो उन्हें हम जिस कनेक्टर से जोड़ेंगे दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कनेक्टर, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन। जब एक डिपेंडेंट होगा एक इंडिपेंडेंट होगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन, वो हमारा सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस होंगे। ओके, सो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग एंड सबऑर्डिनेटिंग इस वे में हमारे मूव करते हैं। Now when we talk of the coordinating conjunctions, तो वो हमारे पास 4 टाइप्स के होते हैं। वन इज क्यूमुलेटिव, ऑल्टरनेटिव, जो हम बोलते हैं एडवर्सिटिव एंड इलेटिव। Now examples of cumulative are and, both and, as well as, not only and but also. Alternatives के either or, neither nor, or, otherwise and else. Adversatives के but, still yet, nevertheless, whereas and while. Elative के therefore, consequently, so and for. So these are basically what? Coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions क्या होते हैं? These refers to the time. ठीक है, टाइम से जैसे कि before, till, after, as soon as, while, when, as, all these are time conjunctions. Cause और reason, cause और reasons क्या होते हैं? Because, since, as, these are the cause and reasons. रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंस क्या होता है? रिजल्ट एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होते हैं दैट। यस, ओके, सो कॉज एंड रीजंस, रिजल्ट्स में दैट आ जाएगा, पर्पस आ गया, कंडीशंस आ गई, इफ, प्रोवाइडेड, एज इफ, अनलेस, then comes the concession or contrast, then comes the comparison, then comes the extent or manner. So concession या contrast क्या हुआ? Although, though. Comparison is as, like, then, ये सब comparisons है। extent and manner में आता है if, as. So all these are basically what? These are the conjunctions जिन्हें हम बोलेंगे the subordinating conjunctions. So okay, with this we can say the topic for today is finished. Now we'll be meeting tomorrow with a new topic and with a new exercise. Till then, just go through these topics. Do practice. You all must have some or the other book at your homes जिसमें कि आप grammar practice कर सकते हैं. Take up the questions. Practice a lot. अच्छे से आप practice करोगे, ठीक है? And if there are any queries, I am there to solve it. आप उसके लिए मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं, मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. Okay? So we'll be meeting in our next class tomorrow. Till then, just take care of yourself and keep studying hard.